Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to transfer money from Airtm to Binance. So the first step is go to the Airtm app, and now you need to enter in the option of withdraw. So you skip that and you need to choose the new payment method. And now you need to pick here in cryptocurrency, and you need to go down and pick in Binance Pay. So in this part, you got Binance Pay BTC, and you need to pay in Binance Pay USDT. So here they ask you who is the holder of the account. I suppose you are the holder, the account holder. So you pick here in I am the account holder. This is a account a test account, so I don't have money, but I explain to you how is next after that. So you retire your money, for example, $10, and now you here in the down part of the app, you got a button of next. And after that, you need to copy the paid ID in your Binance application, and you put here, and you transfer the money. For example, this $10. You need to wait like a few minutes or an hour. You need to wait for the app. And after that, you got the money. You got the money in your Binance account. This is a process, a easy process to do, and that's it. That is the basic process to transfer the money of Airtm to Binance. You retire the $10, for example, and you need to put here your information, the ID of payment of Binance, and you need to wait a time for the transaction. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.